Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your Logitech MX Master 4 not connecting via the Bluetooth. Let's begin. Problems with the Bluetooth connection are very common nowadays, and it's very easy to see why. Sometimes it just doesn't really work and you seem to have no idea how to fix it. Well, first of all, we probably want to go into the Bluetooth settings themselves. We can do that by either going manually through the menu and then settings, or you can go into Add Device and then Bluetooth in order to have the Bluetooth settings enabled and opened automatically. Now, you want to simply reboot your Bluetooth by disabling it. And after a moment, you can wait about a couple of seconds and enable it back. This should try to reboot and reconnect to every single device that you might have connected to your device. However, that is not enough. Sometimes you also want to repair your device completely. Now, me personally, I'm not really using the Bluetooth because my computer is really far away from my desk, so the Bluetooth would be really bad at doing its job. So instead, I can just pretend that I have, for example, let's say that this is my Bluetooth here, and this is my mouse, and you want to remove the device. After you have done that, you want to go into Add on Device and then go to Bluetooth, and then it will try to search for every single Bluetooth device in your area. However, you want to make sure that your mouse here is actually put into pairing mode. This is a very common mistake, but if we rotate our mouse, we'll see that we are currently connected to device number 1, and this is our PC here. And you can see that there is no flashing. It's just typical LED for information that, hey man, we are connected to this device right now. If we click this, we can see that we are also connected to device number 2, and well, actually this doesn't really work. And we can see what devices are we connected to by going in here, and easy switch. So we are connected to devices. So you want to make sure that you are set to the third device, no paired computer. And now we have this rapid flashing. This means that now, and only now, our Bluetooth should be able to see our mouse here. And let's see if I'm right or not. Of course, we should see it, but once again, as I'm saying, my Bluetooth port itself is very far away, so I'm pretty sure it won't be visible, for me at least. But if you have your computer relatively close to your location, you shouldn't have any kinds of issues. And yeah, unfortunately my Bluetooth is way too far away, unfortunately. But once again, if you made sure that you are in the pairing mode, oh, okay, we have it right here. Now we should be able to click it and we should be able to connect, but as I'm saying, my Bluetooth is way too bad for me to actually do it flawlessly. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.